This thing has never happened to me before because of someone came to your country to look for their daily bread. They arrested me, took me to their police station. They said the thing that made them to arrest me because is my country people that they are doing prostitution work. Why would I abhor them? Abhorring them, this word that they are saying I'm abhorring them. I'm not abhorring them. They are the people patronizing me.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So this very lady you are seeing on your screen is a Nigerian living in Ghana. This very lady was very unfortunate. Why? Because she was found in the midst of Olosho by Ghana immigration. So it happened that when they came to take them away, she was part of those people they carried to interrogate and know where to fix them. You know, when Olosho are being caught, it's either they return them back to Nigeria or they lock them up, right? So this very lady was lucky enough that she was granted a bail, and she is now sharing her experience to especially we, the Nigerians living in Ghana. So we learn from it because nobody's above making this kind of error, especially we, the Nigerians that are here doing the right thing. I mean, we are not into doing illegal things, guys. Let's get right into the video so we hear from the horse's mouth. It's really a horrible experience, but then God vindicated her, guys. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to the channel. Oh God of Israelites. I need to say God of Israel, like the worst has happened to me. It's really the worst too. It's the worst. I so much thank God that they didn't put me inside the cell. It was their counter they kept me. Because even in my country, I've not been in the police station. As in, police has not hold me and I say, okay, let them take me to police station and go and put me in the cell. And I so much thank God that it was the counter that I sat down before my sister came to bill me. The worst has really happened to me. Oh. This is what they say. Ghanaian people said all Nigerians should go. It's true. It's true. Because for things I've been watching online, watching on air that they are arresting guys into human traffic. I see them taking them to court every day. I want to give God all the glory that when as I'm saying it, it's as if I should just cry because this thing has never happened to me before. Because of someone came to your country to look for their daily bread in life. It's not good for you to judge that because you see somebody in somewhere that is not good, you now include and said all the people are not the same. They arrested me, took me to their police station. I so thank God that God they asked me question and I told them what I was doing. And I thank God that they saw me what I was doing. But they said the thing that made them to arrest me because is my country people that they are doing prostitution work. Why would I abhor them? Abhorring them, this word that they are saying I'm abhorring them. I'm not abhorring them. They are the people patronizing me. They are the people coming to braid hair in my hand. And other Ghanaian girls too are coming to braid hair in my hand. But I don't see no reason why they now said they are supposed to arrest me because I'm abhorring them. So it made me, I was throughout how many days I was not feeling fine because even in my own country, they've not arrested me. Just find myself. But I just give God glory that in anything that you're doing, we should be careful and do something that is right. What I want to share this thing out here is ever since then, I've been creating content saying they said all Nigerians should leave, but it was not really serious to me. But ever since they arrested me, and I know that this thing that they're saying is really serious. So because they held me in front of where, look at where I'm staying. I'm staying in a block house where my sister is staying. It's a Ghanaian guy that went and rent the place for her. So, but me, because I can't stay in this block as I'm making hair, so I went to where I will see my fellow Nigerians. Those the girls that do all this Olosho work, you understand? So they are the one patronizing me and making their hair. Other Ghanaian ladies are even coming to make their hair in my hand. But because they find me in that kind of environment, to be honest, I won't blame them in one hand. But why I'm trying to blame them, I want to share it out because I'm trying to let you guys know that it's not everybody you see online, as in they snapped and post. You will not include, you will not say, oh, Look, I've seen this girl's video. They've snapped this person is now Olosho, this person is now his Ashawo. Look, I've seen her picture is going viral. It's not everybody you see online that is snapped that is a victim. It's not everybody. The way they came, the girls, I didn't know. I was even making someone's head. Even at this morning, I will put it on my in my this in short. I will go and braid somebody's head. Is even one of them. Because why I came to this country, why my sister asked me to come to this country to come and be making hair is because of they pay good money making hair. I cannot be in my country and make somebody's head. If I be in my country and braid somebody's head, they'll be pricing me 3,000, which is 30 cedis. And why I'm here plating my fellow Nigerian girls' hair, yeah, if I say they should pay me 20, what they call it, 200 cedis, they pay me 1.5, they pay me, which is in Nigerian money, that 200 cedis is 20,000. Sometimes I plait for 1.5, which is in Nigerian money is 15,000. So it's a lot of money for me. That's why I'm here managing my life, so that at least I will gather what I need. Because if somebody start telling you what they've been through or what they've passed through, you will not believe. It's not when you see somebody you start judging the person without going to ask the person. You judge the person. Something tears is in my eye. They scattered all the kpako that I did, the kpako I built. They scatter it. Something that I said I will be using to find my daily bread. They scatter it. So what will I do now? I will not do anything. And now they said that every Nigerian should go if they seize you in their country without having their what they call it, their I think card, what do you call it, this their permit card and what. And to get that card is very hard. It's not every Ghanaian people that has that card that can say, okay, let me use my own and go and do for you. So at this point now, I don't have anything to do. The point now is for me to go back to my country, and but the problem is that people that I did contribution with, they took my money and run away. Both my attachments, my weave on, my stretcher, my comb, all those things I start buying small that was using it to be braiding hair, they stole all. Opportunity Ghanaian boys entered the place because they've seen police came to arrest most of us. They packed everybody's thing, they scatter all the kpako. If you see the place, don't worry, I will video it and attach on this video so that you see it. So I came to share it because it's not really easy. This thing is really serious. It's really serious for those of you as a Nigeria. If you're my follower in Nigeria, because most of the Nigerians are the one causing this thing. Because you come to people's country, you will not keep your ego down, you'll be misbehaving, doing anyhow, something that you look for something to do. That's what I'm saying, that every woman should have handwork, have something doing. If not, it's not good. Now can you just say depend on, say without man, if man did not carry you, you will not survive. You will not say if man did not carry you will not survive. That's what I'm saying, that everybody should have handwork. Because if you don't have handwork, it's just waste of time, because you just kill yourself. How can you come to somebody's country without having handwork? You just depend on, say, okay, as I'm coming to their country, it's Olosho you come and do. It's Olosho work. Olosho is not work. Olosho is not work. Imagine what happened. Look at how people, they are looking, they're looking for where to sleep. Some people does not even have money. If they say go to Nigeria now, they don't have shishi to go. All those times they've been spending, sleeping around, doing nothing, smoking anyhow, doing all sorts of boyfriend that is not valuable. For me that came to this country, people has been asking me, but I cannot date because I'm not seeing anyone that would date, because the ones I'm seeing, they're into drugs. Why will I go and date a man that's into drugs, and later on the man will not go and fight me or beat me? If I say A, the man will slap me. I cannot. At my age, what will I do boyfriend for? So I'm managing my life, plaiting my hair. Sometimes somebody will want to braid normal hair. I'll braid their normal hair 30 cedis. In my country, who will braid normal weaving, cornrow for 20 cedis. But I'm braiding your 20 cedis, 30 cedis for cornrow. In my own country, they'll be begging you for 1,000 to just braid hair. So I'm here for my survivor. I'm just praying for Ghanaian government that they should look for the people that has valued, the Nigeria that has valued in their country, that has work, that came to do reasonable thing, not the one that came to do useless thing. So the worst has really happened to me, and I don't want this video to be long. And I just, okay, let me just use this opportunity to come and share it out there. Because ever since, I'm just crying because it's paying me. Number one, why I'm crying, that I want to give God all the glory, because it is not easy that they didn't take me to somewhere different, because I showed them something valuable. I showed them my voter's card, I showed them my plating this, show them my videos, all the videos I've been making people's head. They saw it, like that's okay. My mother was calling me, they saw it, I'm valuable. Hey, thank God they didn't find any drugs in my hand. They tested me. Anything you say that you had, they will test you. Someone said she's pregnant, they went and do her pregnancy test, they find that she was not pregnant. And I know that these people, this immigration, they are serious now. So if you're a Nigerian person that you're here doing rubbish, you should just take your time and just go back to your country rather coming to spoil the people that came to look for their main source, their main daily bread. So anyway, bye guys. See you guys on my next video. I don't want this video to be long. I say let me come and share it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Okay, you guys have heard it all right. And guys, what came to my mind after hearing this lady is the question that came to my mind, yeah, that I really want to ask Nigerians. I mean, you guys said you are doing better than Ghana. So what is happening? What did I just hear from this lady? Because according to her, that the money she gets here in Ghana, like in Nigeria, she can never get that kind of money. Yeah, she's a braider. You guys heard her, right? She cannot come here and be lying. So when we are here telling you guys that Ghana is doing better than Nigeria, you guys are thinking that we are joking. Ghana is the UK of Nigeria. If you guys don't know, now you guys have started hearing from braiders, people who are doing handwork here in Ghana. If Ghana is not making you rich, then why? What are you coming to Ghana to do? Well, I feel pity for the girl, but we thank God that the Ghanaian immigration they are doing the right thing by not arresting people who are doing are not living illegally here in Ghana. I know she's living illegally. I know you guys will be like, oh, she doesn't have Ghana card, she doesn't have the foreigners are here, whatever. But she have an handwork. That means she have something she's doing. She's not just here doing a shower, right? So does that mean if you are a Nigerian doing the right thing, like you have handwork, you can be able to live in Ghana? So what are the Nigerians saying? That Ghanaians are sending Nigerians back to their country. So you should know that if you have handwork, they will allow you to live in Ghana peacefully. But if you don't have, then it's a problem, because you are the same people that will start doing armed robbery, kidnapping, a shower and the rest. But if you have handwork, nobody will worry you in this country. You will live peacefully. So I don't know what you guys are talking about though. Now the same Nigerians will come out and say this, the same Nigerians will come out again and say a different thing. I don't know which way now, Nigerians, which way? Why not allow these people make them rest now? Which kind of wahala be this? See, the thing is that Mona just accept. In fact, the whole world has accepted that Ghana is doing better than Nigeria. And if you're angry about that, please go hug the transformer for all I care, guys. This brings me to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do all to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there I believe they will watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.